When homeowners think about security, doors and alarm systems are usually the first things that come to mind. However, your windows play an equally important role in protecting your home. For homeowners in Coppell, modern double-hung windows offer a combination of style, functionality, and advanced security features that can significantly improve peace of mind. Double-hung windows are designed with two operable sashes that slide vertically. While this classic style has long been appreciated for its versatility and appearance, today's models are built with enhanced security features that go far beyond traditional designs. One of the most important security benefits of modern double-hung windows is their advanced locking systems. Older windows often relied on simple latches that could be easily bypassed. In contrast, newer models feature stronger, more secure locks that firmly connect the top and bottom sashes. Some options even include multiple locking points, making it much more difficult for intruders to force the window open. Another key advantage is reinforced construction. Modern double-hung windows are built with durable materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames that resist warping, cracking, and wear. This structural integrity ensures that the window remains strong over time, reducing vulnerabilities that can develop with older or poorly maintained windows. Glass technology has also improved significantly. Many double-hung windows now come with tempered or laminated glass, which is designed to be much harder to break than standard glass. Laminated glass, in particular, holds together even when cracked, making it far more difficult for someone to gain access through the window. This added layer of protection is especially valuable for homeowners in Coppell who want to enhance their home's overall security. Window balance systems also contribute to safety and security. Modern double-hung windows are designed to stay in place when opened, preventing sudden movement or slamming. This not only improves usability but also ensures the window remains properly aligned, maintaining a secure fit when closed. Another important feature is the option for window restrictors or stops. These allow homeowners to limit how far the window can open, which is particularly useful for both security and safety. You can enjoy fresh air and ventilation without fully opening the window, reducing the risk of unauthorized entry. Proper sealing and fit also play a role in security. A well-installed double-hung window sits snugly within its frame, leaving no gaps or weak points. This tight fit makes it more difficult for intruders to pry the window open. In Coppell homes, where seasonal changes can affect building materials, having windows that maintain their alignment and seal is essential. Visibility is another subtle but important security benefit. Double-hung windows provide clear views of the outside, allowing you to easily monitor your surroundings. This increased visibility can act as a deterrent, as well-lit and visible areas are less appealing to potential intruders. Modern double-hung windows can also be integrated with home security systems. Sensors can be installed to alert you if a window is opened or tampered with, adding an extra layer of protection. For homeowners in Coppell, this combination of physical security and smart technology creates a more comprehensive approach to home safety. In addition to security, these windows still offer the everyday benefits homeowners expect. They provide excellent ventilation, easy operation, and a timeless design that complements a variety of home styles. This means you don't have to sacrifice comfort or aesthetics to improve security. Maintenance is also easier with modern designs. Features like tilt-in sashes make cleaning simple, ensuring that your windows remain in good condition. Well-maintained windows are less likely to develop issues that could compromise security over time. Ultimately, upgrading to modern double-hung windows is a smart investment for homeowners in Coppell who want to enhance both safety and functionality. With stronger materials, improved locking systems, and advanced glass options, these windows provide reliable protection while maintaining the classic look many homeowners love. If you're looking for a way to improve your home's security without compromising on style, modern double-hung windows offer a practical and effective solution. They deliver peace of mind, everyday convenience, and long-term value, making them a worthwhile upgrade for any home.